It's another day. It's another three things. Today, we're going to talk about the three study habits for lifelong learners. Now, kung maghisgot ta about success, one ingredient that will always be at the top of it all is one becomes a lifelong learner. Kining tao na kanunay naa sa attitude of being a student, being a learner, mauni ang tao na maka-capture o makadawat og daghan nga mga ideas, and somehow kini nga mga ideas they will be able to apply it to whatever areas in their life. Join me in as we're going to dive into these habits kung unsa ni sila. Number one, practice consistent daily learning. Lifelong learners, they don't cram. They build a steady rhythm of study. In fact, they always allocate a portion of their time, it may not be that long, 15 or 30 minutes perhaps in a day, na ilahang magamit to read, to reflect, and even explore new concept or idea. And kini siya nga habit, eventually it will compound into long-term growth. The key is consistency. Their consistency turns learning into a lifestyle, not just an activity. Number two, they reflect and apply immediately. Now, knowledge without application, for sure, makalimtan yun siya. Ang lifelong learners, mupos ni sila and somehow try to think kung unsaon nila pag-apply ang mga things na ilahang nakatunan. It may be in the areas, in the real life situation, like work, relationship, or even in their personal growth. They move from information to transformation. Now, and lastly, number three, they cultivate curiosity and ask questions. Strong learners are not satisfied with surface level answers. They dig deeper. They ask why. They seek what are the perspective. They stretch their level of thinking. Their curiosity keeps them in the learning process. Eventually, they will get some fresh and somehow they prevent complacency. Now, if I am to give a takeaway in all of these things, just remember, number one, try to schedule your study habit in the same way you would in a meeting. Nga himuan ni siyang non-negotiable so that ang imong schedule na gihatag ani will be protected. Probably you need to keep a journal where you need to jot down what are the key lessons na imuhang nakatunan sa imuhang mga nadungog, and somehow it will guide you in your application. Number three, whenever you learn something new, make sure na imo kining ma-follow up, at least in this way, ma-develop ang so-called habit. The final takeaway in all of this, lifelong learning isn't about mastering everything. It's about studying the course of being teachable, curious, and consistent in growth areas of our life. Till next, bye!